I am finally using this blush. Look at how cute this is. This is my I've Got a Blursh on You. I don't know if that's what it's called, but it's like the blush book. Blursh book volume 2. So I got this a while ago. I think Made by Mitchell was having like a big sale and I got some stuff and I'm absolutely obsessed. I'm so serious. I'm obsessed with everything that I've purchased. I have been using all the stuff from them. Hold on. I can't open this. Yeah, this is freaking cute, but look at this. Look at that. It is literally all the blush you could possibly need. Stunning, stunning. My God. Which one I want to try first, I'm not sure, but I do think I need to use a little bit of the yellow. At least just a little bit. I know, I'm shocked too. I'm also shocked. Maybe a little bit of the pink as well. I'm going to keep the insert to make sure that like when I close this, the like shades don't go onto each other. So I'm going to keep this little insert thing. I think I'm going to go in a little bit with Lost Lover, then Sun Trap, then this one down here, which is Freckles, but I'm just going to mix some of them, I think. Okay, so starting off with this Lost Lover shade. Oh my God, that looks literally so cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on top of the cheek. I've set my face. That is so dainty and cute. Yeah, I knew I would like that. That's cute. I do kind of want it to be a little more yellowy though, so I'm just gonna like even this and then go in with the yellow. Literally obsessed with that shade of pink though, just saying. Okay, so now going in with a little bit of Sun Trap. I'm gonna be kind of light with this one, but I'm gonna tap it maybe a little bit more. I think I went in a little too light. I like when blushes, oh yeah, yep. I like when blushes are a little bit more buildable because sometimes if I'm too heavy-handed to start before I can blend, it's a little overwhelming. That's so nice. But I do like when they are a bit more light to start. That is so cute. That is so cute. Just a little bit of like, it's like when you, okay, this is gonna be when you hold a little, is it a dandelion? Or when you hold the little yellow flower underneath your chin and it like, is there a thing that's like, if you hold it under your chin and it's like you like butter? That is something in the depths of the corners of my brain. But does anyone know what I'm talking about? Anyway, kind of gives me that vibes. This color does. It kind of just feels like a little flower, like shining on your face. Yeah, that's cute. So nice. I'm just gonna go in a little bit more Sun Trap. A little bit on my forehead. Yeah, dude. Yeah. I'm obsessed. Taking Sun Trap on my nose. Literally adorable. I'm getting angry. Okay, I lied. I'm actually gonna take the all riped, this middle one, this one right here, all riped up. Anyway, I'm gonna take a touch of that one and just kind of like contour blush my nose with this. Oh my God, that's literally so cute. Cute. Okay, now I think what I really want to do is take a little bit of that one again and just kind of put it on the high points of my cheeks. Oh, that's really concentrated. Oh Lord. Okay, that one's very pigmented. Or maybe just because I'm using a little bit of a denser brush. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I was using for the yellow and kind of blend that in a little bit more. I think I need more yellow. I cannot believe that I'm saying that. Literally gonna take a denser brush, tapping into that yellow, and I'm just gonna sweep like underneath my eye. What is my life? I think I just Sun Trap is, wow. How am I this into a yellow blush? There's one blush that I love, Tangy. That's one of my favorite blushes of all time. But like, I really did not expect all this. These are stunning. I think these look so cute. I want more Sun Trap. Put a little bit more on my nose. I do think it looks perfect with this look if I do say so myself. I think he even got this blush palette like half off. Like there was some sale that was happening that was literally outrageous and I was like, I simply cannot help myself. I have really been loving all of the stuff that I've purchased from Made by Mitchell, like supremely impressed. Like some of the items have become a daily rotation for me. So just very much thrilled on it. Looking at the first volume of the Blursh book volume 1, it's $43. So if this one is the same, $43 for 12 powder blushes, that's kind of insane. And I feel like for some reason I got it like half off anyway, so like that was fantastic. Let me know what you think about these. So far I'm loving them. I feel like they blended literally seamlessly. I wasn't shocked about that. I feel like even the cream products that I use from Made by Mitchell, the blend is ridiculous. So wow. Let me know if there's some other shades that you want to see. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup and beauty content and I will catch you in the next video. Bye. Oh, yellow, what is happening?